In about 3 weeks, we're going to take off for an 8-month sailing trip again. And in about 1 week, our winter renters will be moving into the house. So we realized this is the day to tear down the studio. It's a bit of a sad occasion, but I thought I'd make it more fun by doing a time-lapse video. And we have beer.
Okay, countdown is on for another 10-month sailing trip. We will soon be taking down all of our courtesy flags as we pack up the house and get ready to take off sailing.
And in about a week, the winter tenants are moving in, which means we have to move out. So we're scrambling a little bit right now, but we'd like to take this moment to tell you about our blog, argonsailing.com. Please subscribe to it by email, and from there, you can also subscribe to our YouTube video channel. We're going to try to do a lot more compelling video and photography this year, even more than last time. So we really hope you'll come along with us and enjoy that.